After watching the video, I believe you have known that Collider is a professional LED display manufacturer and solution provider. We guarantee quality and after-sales service. We have the ability to meet the customer's personalized needs, and we know well that details depends the difference from others. Now let's come to AceBlock introduction. The introduction will be 5 parts, including features, different versions, installation modes, and applications. Let's go first with the structure features. What inspired the design of this product? The inspiration of such design scheme roots in distinct shape of ice cubes. It is concise, aesthetic, and elegant in appearance. The AceBlock series are mainly designed to solve the core problems at the user side, such as complicated assemble, debugging, and display stability, etc. Therefore, AceBlock shows strong functions and reliable quality guarantee with its clear and masculine appearance, and it wins good praises from customers. Due to its unique design, AceBlock is honored to become the winner of iF Design Award and DIA. Collider is a product-oriented company with 20 years of research and development experience. As for AceBlock Pixel Pitch, P0.9 to 2.5 are in hot selling, P0.3 and 0.7 are in sample stage, P0.3, 0.4, 0.5 are in research and development stage. Therefore, we are confident enough to provide customers with satisfactory products. There are 4 treatment technology solutions of each series for customers to choose: SMD, GOB, COB, and nearly 4-in-1. 4 kinds of modules can share one AceBlock frame. You just need to replace the modules to meet a variety of needs in different application scenarios. In addition, there's another nano coating treatment, which is Collider's patent technology. Nano coating treatment effectively improves contrast and color consistency of AceBlock. What's more, it is mainly for coastal areas and with moisture and salt-proof function. Stay with us. We will test the nano coating module in water in the live demo. Collider is the pioneer in cable-free connection technology. Cable-free connection makes LED screen looks neater. What's more, it could save assembly time effectively and improve stability. It only takes 3 seconds to assemble 2 cabinets. AceBlock's power and data redundant function provide 200% reliability. You will never have a black screen. 27 inches AceBlock panel meets 16:9 ratio and accurately map 2K, 4K, 8K, and etc. The magnetic modular design could reach fast replacement of modules. 4. Easy maintenance. AceBlock's front and back installation can apply to kinds of limited spaces with its front and rear maintenance features. Next, let's come to display features. The traditional display visual angle could only reach 120 degrees, and it is easy to have the problem of color cast and image distortion. While AceBlock has super wide visual angle 160 degrees to ensure the best visual experience. HDR is high dynamic range. Compared with SDR, the contrast of dark details in the picture is significantly improved. The color gamut is wider, and the color reduction is close to naked eye recognition. Compared with traditional DLP and LCD, AceBlock color balance and low reflectance makes image presentation effect better and has a better visual experience. ACE block is with wide color gamut and abundant hue, so it could realize low brightness without loss of grayscale and picture quality. Compared with traditional display, ACE block is with high refresh rate. It shows more distinct and stable pictures, so it is very friendly to our human eyes. ACE block can not only support flatness version, but also support curve and 90-degree version. Collider developed the world's first module-based curved LED screen, which is smoother than normal curved LED screen. You can tell from the following pictures. The curved design of single cabinet can meet the specific demand of projects to realize the curved splice from 3 degree to 18 degree for installation in different spaces. Thus, it can build small circles with diameters starting from 8 meter to 4 meter to 8 meter approximately. This slide shows that different quantity of ACE curving LED panel makes up different radians. Here are some smooth curving LED screen projects for your reference. What's more, ACE block series has 90-degree right angle version. It can solve the display at wall corners with small seam, and it can perfectly save space. Here are 2 pictures and project of 90-degree right angle LED screen for your information. The installation mode of ACE is diversified, including wall mount, panning, and ground stacking, so it is suitable for different installation sites. ACE series as a classic indoor full-color LED display, it has attractive appearance, stable performance, good flatness, and high resolution. It is widely used in different applications, such as TV studio, conference room and convention center, surveillance center and control room, also school and enterprise, exhibition and showroom. Thank you. Above are the introduction of ACE block. After the introduction with a slide, I think you already have some idea of what features ACE block has and what application it is for. Should you have any question or inquiry, please leave a message to us. Okay, let's go to the live demo. Howard is going to show you the ACE block LED panel.